Yo, this is my walk through the Burj Khalifa, tallest tower in the world. क्या बात है, जिसके लिए मैं शुरू में नहीं जाने वाला था बिकॉज उसमें देखने के लिए क्या है, बट लेटर आई थॉट इट्स वर्थ वॉचिंग. So she's asking the taxi driver. हाँ, ये क्लोज एंट्रेंस ही है. सो यू हैव टू गो टू दुबई मॉल. बुर्ज खलीफा को जाने के लिए दुबई मॉल से एंट्री क्लोजेस्ट है. बिफोर एंटरिंग बुर्ज खलीफा यू कुड सी दीज ब्यूटिफुल थिंग्स जो मैंने देखी. एंड ये पूरा सीक्वेंस आपको टिल द टाइम यू गेट डाउन फ्रॉम बुर्ज खलीफा एंड यू सी द फाउंटेन शो. अच्छा, ये देखिए. हाँ जी. So guys, this is Dubai Aquarium. Don't miss it. So ये मैं बाहर से देख रहा हूँ. So I could see only this part of the aquarium. But there's a queue on the right side from where you could buy tickets and enter from the right side, and you could see, you could go between these huge structures. और आप इस structure का नहीं बाबा, मरमेड खोटी है, मला माहिती है. So you could become a part of this beautiful structure. हाँ हाँ, फोटो काट तो ज़रा थाम. So it's really very beautiful to stand there and watch. From the time you move ahead towards the lift in Burj Khalifa, you reach here. A huge epicenter, you could say that. मी हे का बोललो मला माहीत नाही. सो गाइज, आई एम डूइंग दिस इन इंग्लिश, हिंदी एंड मराठी, सो you'll get it all clear. Okay, this is the lift where we all go towards the reception of Burj Khalifa. And here we come towards the reception of Burj Khalifa. And the best part is the washroom. You could see so many Burj Khalifas. बहुत ही सुंदर, marvelous, क्या बात है. Aladdin, sorry, genie. So many genies are sleeping down here. So before going to the Burj Khalifa, we also went outside. It was very hot, but still ये फाउंटेन एरिया है जो रात को यहाँ पे फाउंटेन शो चलता है. सो इट वॉज सो ब्यूटिफुल, इट वॉज सो ब्यूटिफुल. एंड हियर यू सी बुर्ज खलीफा फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. सो टू वॉच इट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड स्टैंडिंग बिलो इज आहा, क्या बात है. सो इट्स टाइम टू मूव इन बिकॉज इट्स वेरी हॉट. Beautiful structures there. The camel was very unique here. So मैंने सोचा इसका भी वीडियो निकाल दिया जाए. Yes, at the top of the Burj Khalifa, which will be the 124th floor and 125th floor for the tickets which we bought. Head out is an application on which these tickets are available. You have different combo offers also, जिसके साथ you could buy meal. So हमने coffee and food, basic food, ये meal option choose किया था. Yes, thank you. She said excuse me because video was not allowed at security points. ठीक है, we head towards here where the video was allowed to do. Hi. So basically people put lot of music behind for these kind of vlogs, but I am not going to do that because the natural sound, the ambience is what everybody likes to be into, is what I feel. है ना? See this? Earth to the sky. Escalator towards the top. So there are various levels to reach the Burj Khalifa before getting into the lift. The escalators get lit towards the end of the vlog. You could see it. Mashallah, they look beautiful. Here we come to the main section. Hi, sanitizer. 2004. How beautifully have they shown? See, 2005. So there are various screens which I have tried to capture different levels of how the construction began in 2004. So this was the queue before reaching the elevators, where we had to wait for a longer time. The section beyond is when you come down from Burj Khalifa, so it is well managed, Trying my video skills here. So this is the queue to these, I think, 4 elevators, and how beautiful this is. So this lift travels almost 10 meters in 1 second. 10 meters in 1 second. See, you could actually see how many floors. See, 10 meters 1 second. So we are going to the floor 124 and 125. 124 is the lift will take us, and from there 125 there's another section which is beautiful too. So we step inside. Felt like Mumbai local trains, but ठीक है, चलता है. And the show begins. And we are here.
Welcome to level 125. Please, you can start from the open balcony. One by one from the door. One by one from the door. Thank you. Welcome to Burj Khalifa.
Thank you. So this is the 124th floor.
Another side, please. Thank you.
हाँ, इधर से उधर से काफ़ी इंडियंस भी हैं यहाँ पर. गुड टू मीट इंडियंस यार. हाँ जी. This was my reaction. So this floor is open floor. 125th. The next floor is closed one. See, this is the south side. Hi, myself. The most funny incident where people were seeing this guy, if something has happened to him but कुछ हुआ नहीं था, he was trying to see the top of Burj Khalifa by sleeping in this position. क्या बात है, क्या passion है. Because later I also did the same thing. Hard. This is the view from 124th floor. वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है भाई. घुमाओ. Shot 2. Bad pasting. This was something interesting where you say make your own penny souvenir. Like these. Interesting concept, यार. बस बेटा, बस घर जाओ. There's a beautiful cafe on the 124th floor. Small and cozy. On the right side you have the washroom for the gents, and on the left side you have washroom for the This is the photo point. And these are the steps you go for the 125th floor. Wooden floor. That's the 124th floor, which we were before, and this is 125th floor.
I know Matthew, you understand?
Blue sky. Yo. Perspective. Yo, Ashu. Hi. And after some time, we were waiting for the sunset, but the sun vanished in the fog. While getting down, we were only 3 of us in the whole lift. भाई कितना खर्चा. अब देखो ये भी experience देखो. What they have to show.
Everybody dreams. Many of us dream at night. People who daydream, though, they remember their dreams and they plan to do something about it. We want the world to recognize that our hometown city is arriving on the global scene. One of the things that we're very passionate about is how we built this building in respect of the human spirit, respecting the city we live in, respecting our people, and respecting quality as well in what we do. It's not about tall buildings, it's about pride. This building is a very emotional one for all of us in the Middle East. We need a successful story for this region. And I'm glad that we've participated in creating a positive story about growth, about success, about progress, and about hope.
And we have reached. Thank you. Thank you. लेफ्ट लो भाई. ये तो कैफे का टिकट लिया था भाई. चलते हैं. So Indian. But yes, we value for what we pay. Actually, wherever you go in Dubai to see such places, make sure you're well rested because you need to walk a lot. Papa and Papa ki pari. Hi. हाँ भाई, ये चाहिए था. Beautiful cafe, lovely coffee, what we were craving for. Hi. The croissants were very average, so we went for muffins. This is the escalator which we came some time back. So इसके ना कलर्स चेंज होते रहते हैं. अभी एक ही कलर में है.
हे वाढते गर्दी.
थोड़ा ये भी कलर देख लेते हैं. So there are different slots we choose online for to visit Burj Khalifa. Different slots, different timings, different charges. So see how beautiful Burj Khalifa looks from the outside. Sparkling. मेरे लिए बाहर से देखना ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग था compared to the view from inside. When you look outside, actually, wow, what am I saying? See this sea, it's beautiful. And here where the fountain show happens, I think after every 5 to 6 minutes. One person per square, which nobody follows. क्या बात है. ये देखिए भाई साहब, टाइल को स्क्वायर समझ के खड़े हैं. फैंटास्टिक. सो द सिक्योरिटी इज काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रिक्ट. तो लोगों को हटा देते हैं वहाँ से. सो बेटर फॉलो द रूल्स. लुक एट दिस, हाउ ब्यूटिफुल. The sound output could have been better. I tried to search for a sweet spot, but I couldn't find one. How thoughtful it is. So this was my walk through the Burj Khalifa, tallest tower in the world. See you in the next vlog.